peanut oil 60 grams, golden syrup 125 grams, lime water 5 grams. Stir and mix well. Add 180 grams of plain flour. Knead into a fine and smooth dough. Cover with plastic wrap and sit for 3 to 4 hours. Remove yolk from fresh salted duck eggs. Wash away remaining whites on yolks. Soak in white spirit for a while. I use low sugar lotus paste filling here. Divide it into 50 grams per serving. Wrapped 1 yolk in paste. After the dough is rested, it is divided into 35 grams. I'm using a 100-gram mold. I can make 10 of them. Wrap lotus paste and yolk fillings. Brush the mold with a layer of oil. Put mooncakes into the mold and compress for design. Preheat the oven to about 180 degrees. Put it in and bake for 5 minutes to set. Brush the shaped mooncakes with egg yolk. Put it in the oven and bake for another 20 minutes at 180 degrees. If you want to eat mooncakes, you don't have to buy them anymore. Try making them at home.